Now, we're done modeling our space truss, okay? Tinor na natin yun sa matrix A. Kumbaga, doon na naka-model yung truss natin, including its coordinates, dimensions, okay? So, anong gagawin natin, okay? After natin na-model si truss sa matrix A, pindutin mo ngayon si shift 4. Yun, matrix, okay? Then, press 1, that is for dime. Why? Because after natin ma-model si truss, okay, for its dimensions and coordinates, mag-a-add tayo ngayon ng isa pang matrix for the loadings, okay? If you can notice, meron tayong 5 kN directed towards the positive x-axis, okay? Also, we have 10 kN papunta siya sa y, but directed downwards. So, kumbaga, yung direction nito is along negative y-axis. So, now, we'll already use matrix A. May laman na yan. So, yung available na lang is si matrix C at matrix B. So, we'll use matrix B. That is 2. Okay? If you can notice, yung loadings natin is either along X, along Y, or along Z. Okay? So, yung gawin mo, pindutin mo yung matrix wherein yung laman niya is 3. Okay? That is 3 by 1. Ito. That is 3. Now, yung gawin mo dito, okay, i-model mo ngayon yung loading mo. Yung first row na yan, that corresponds to the loadings along x-axis. So, kung positive, along positive x-axis ka, let's say, ito yung 5 na yan, okay, ilagay mo dyan, positive 5. What if directed dyan along negative x? So, ilagay mo, negative 5. Okay? Now, yung positive 5 na yan is directed towards positive x-axis. So, 5. How about this 10 kN? Yung 10 kN na yan is directed towards negative x-axis. So, pindutin mo, lagay mo dyan, negative 10. Okay? Negative 10. Yan. Now, tanong, is there a load acting along z-axis? The answer is no. Yung loading natin is only directed along x and along y. So, in short, yung loadings mo para sa z-axis is 0. Okay? So, pindutin mo, 0. Okay? So, again, recap tayo. Yung loadings mo is simply 5 kN towards positive x. So, yan siya. Okay? Your 10 kN is directed towards negative y. So, negative 10 siya. Okay? So, again, for z, wala kang load. So, matik 0. So, after mo na yan na model, okay, pindutin mo ulit si AC. Now, anong gagawin? Okay? Gawin mo, pindutin mo negative. Shift, matrix, that is number 4. Then, pindutin mo si 8, that is transpose. Okay? Again, press shift, matrix, number 4. Hanapin mo yun sa matrix A. That is 3. Okay? After that, yung gawin mo, i-inverse mo siya. Okay? Pindutin mo yan, oh. Inverse. Okay? Times. Again, shift, matrix, pindutin mo si 4. Okay? That is matrix B. So, after that, press equals. Okay? Now, ano ngayon yan? Okay? Yung mga value na yan, okay? Yung negative 8.61 tsaka negative 5.83, okay? Ibig sabihin yan is nakakompresyon. Sa anong member? Okay? Kinig. Yung AD mo, okay? Yung AD mo is negative 8.62. Yung BD mo, okay, yung BD mo is negative 5.83. Naka-KN yan sila lahat. Okay, and lastly, yung CD mo is nasa positive 3.20 KN. Now, kanina, inassume natin na lahat ng member is nasa tension. Okay? So, why it became negative? Makinig. Okay? Dahil sa 10kN na yan, okay? Suppose wala yung 5kN na to. What will happen? Lahat yan sila, matik yan, sila yung sasalo ng 10kN na yan, okay? So, kumbaga, lahat sila is under compression. But, what happened kapag niload mo yung 5kN na ito? What will happen to the truss? Yung truss mo actually is iikot, okay? Iikot siya sa axis na ito, okay? So, instead na magiging compression din si member CD, okay? Instead na itulak niya yung truss, okay? Para isupport si 10kN na ito, what will happen? Or what happened? Dahil sa 5kN na ito, yung truss mo is iikot along z-axis. So, instead na itulak niya papataas, what happened to member CD actually is magta-tension siya. Okay? Hilain niya supposedly or hilain niya yung truss mo pababa. That's the reason why naging tension yung part nito. Okay? Yan siya. Positive 3.2. Again, positive means tension. And for member AD and BD, okay, the result is negative. So, again, kapag negative yung sagot, okay, mali yung assumption mo na tension siya. But of course, okay lang, okay? So, na-prove natin na compression yung dalawang ito. Why? Kasi negative yung sagot. Okay? So, in short, these two is under compression. The member AD and member BD. And the member CD is under tension. Okay? This is under compression. Ang dalawa, this is under tension. So, yun lang. I hope may na-learn kayo dyan. Mas mabilis ka actually kapag ginamit mo ito instead using conventional. So, that's all. Thank you.